Hey everybody, I know you're probably tired of hearing my voice, but there is at least one more tutorial that I need to go through, and that is how to use Zoom. So if you are using Zoom, you either need to have the app on your laptop or your iPad or your phone. If you do not have the app, you are able to still listen in on the conversation, but you are just not able to see everyone's faces. So, you can see that this is what you will be seeing on your Google Classroom. So there is definitely a lot of different content and points to this. If you are using a laptop, you can just copy and paste this ID onto your Google Chrome, Firefox, your Safari, or no judgment here, Internet Explorer if you need. So once you get to whichever web browser that you are using, you are going to copy and paste that link. Once you press enter, it will launch Zoom and it will say open Zoom. So again, if you wanted to just dial in, you guys can definitely use this dial by your location section. So you just need a cell phone, you can dial in, and you don't even need to have an iPad or a laptop or even have the Zoom app downloaded onto your phone. Your laptop should look something like this, where it will ask you to input the meeting ID. It tells me what I am currently using. So let's input that meeting ID that we saw earlier, which would be 451 and then 533613. Once I have that ID, I can press join. And once I press join, because this will be a private office hours, we have to enter the password. And the password for this test meeting was test. So once I enter that, I can press enter and we can see that it's connecting. So I can see that I am going to have to wait until the host lets me in. All of you guys will end up having to wait for the host to let you in, just because that is the setting that I have it on. I can't find it. There we go. So once you guys are admitted, I can see that it's going to say, to hear others, please join audio. So I can use either the internet audio or I can dial in. For those of you guys who do not have an iPad or a laptop, you guys can just automatically dial in. So that way you guys can hear the audio that's in the office hours still. If we are dialing in, we are going to choose this number, which is the one that is for San Jose. If you're using an iPad or a laptop where you still want to dial in, you are going to still need to input your meeting ID, which is given to you down here, and your participant ID. If you don't put in the participant ID, it will be separate from your iPad or your laptop. And I will show you guys how to dial in just a second. So I can see that on my phone I need to dial the phone number. So the phone number is 1-669-900-9128. And once I dial it, it may take a bit.
Welcome to Zoom. Enter your meeting ID followed by pound.
So this is where you guys need to have your meeting ID ready. So it would be 451-533-613. That is for this meeting, but you guys will definitely have different numbers for each meeting. And the pound button is, as you guys know it, the hashtag.
You are in the meeting now. There is one other participant in the meeting. You are mute. You have been put on hold by the host. You cannot listen or talk until the host releases the hold.
So once that happens, I need to admit you guys into the meeting. But if you are connecting this to your iPad before it connects you to the meeting, you guys will need to enter your participant ID and also hit that pound button again. Alright, so that's depending on which technology you guys end up using.